welcome to another post-market analysis brought to you by Learnity. And so on the DXY, we're actually looking for bearishness today. This week rather, we're looking for bearishness, but eventually we did not see that happen. So we're eventually looking to see if this fair value gap on the daily time frame was going to act as an area for price to start pushing lower, but instead we have actually seen price gravitate towards the high. So what I'm thinking is that next week we can actually see this high as our draw on liquidity if price keeps pushing to the upside. So now if we go into the 4 hour time frame, one thing that I'm very I'm careful or cautious about is these lows over here. These lows are like clear liquidity pools for price to drop back into. So particularly what I want to see is how we open on the weekend, right? Because these lows are relatively equal, and then we also have buy side liquidity, and there's been no extra manipulation before price moving higher. So I think the price is still likely to want to drop lower, all right, and I think that these are all false moves. But if we do open with higher prices on a Monday, then I think we need to um we need to take out this high before seeing if we can continue the downtrend move. All right, so particularly that is what I'm looking at on the dollar index, because if you look on the daily time frame, we can see clearly that this has been on a downward market structure, and we could continue going in that direction. And if you go into Euro USD, or rather, this is the analysis for Euro USD. If you go into GBP USD, right, you can see that we've had price take out previous this Monday's previous daily high, but it is not closing above the high. So the same thing I want to see from Euro USD is that I think that these lows are relatively close to each other and equal, and they look like something that would act as a draw on liquidity in the future time to come. But primarily for this week, we did not see price move to our anticipated direction, and I hope everyone trades well. I hope everyone traded well, and that will be all for the post market analysis. Until I come your way again next time, trade well and trade safe.